Whether you're optimizing your game for better performance or just want to tweak the visuals to match your creative vision, today's video is all about learning about graphic settings in Unity. Hello everyone, I'm your game dev companion and today you will learn how to tweak graphics settings in your Unity game. So watch till the last, subscribe if you are new and let's go. Now I have this simple scene from a low poly forest pack from Unity Asset Store. First, we will need a game manager and a new script which I will name Graphics Settings Manager. Open up the script in Visual Studio. Now there is a function to change graphics quality level directly. It is the qualitySettings.setQualityLevel function. It takes in an integer as argument. This integer value denotes the quality level. 0 means lowest, 1 means mid and 2 means highest by default. If you go back to Unity and go to Edit, Project Settings, Quality, you can see these three quality levels denoting 0, 1 and 2. You can also add your own quality level and change the settings here as you want. You can also delete a quality level from here. Now let's put it in our game. Add the script to the game manager and open the script. Here, we will create 3 functions, each to change one of the 3 quality levels. After that, go back to Unity and create 3 UI buttons so we can change graphics settings through them. Assign the respective functions to each button. After that, press play and see. The quality level gets changed accordingly. This was how you can change the graphics quality settings in Unity. Hit the like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more amazing content. This was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.